Gentlemen, this is Afrimasa Comedy TV of Africa. Any other Africa that we move. See, this matter, this is get out of hand. Make somebody help MC Izzy because of MC Izzy is getting to into serious wahala again. The reason why I say this is that the last time we think that it was a planned video, but along the road we know that this is not a planned video. Please, ladies and gentlemen, make you people just calm down and reason and watch this video. Like, I don't understand why this life dey like this. I do a video day before. I say somebody called me for him to draw comment, come call me, they insult me. Like, I don't understand. He call me, they insult me. And for you to draw comment, make I know waiting to be your own problem. Based on say I put my number for that, be now waiting. If your sister will be that, be no go happy for it. No, go happy. Then they do all those ways with the candidate you do for that house. Like, I don't understand. What be on a problem, sir? What be on a problem, sir? I bet when I watch this video, 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 bet when I watch this video, beg.
Are you not happy? Eh? Why are you doing your face like that? I went to do it this morning now so that at least you'll be happy. You're not happy?
Wait. But what's the meaning of that?
Where is talk?
I talk.
You talk waiting again.
I talk. You come. You just go come out this one. Your first wife picture. I dey talk. You just dey tell me say my now people I sit down.
Don't mind this boy. See, you know, there's no, we don't have any enlargements here. So I not say okay. The money I have, let me do this one first. Then when we do the
she wants to tell, then she come out. Now she come out your first wife picture.
I did not remove it. Don't be saying come out.
You remove it
away.
You remove it.
What is wrong with this guy?
Boss, you know say this brief na bad person. When candidate they talk since he did they shake head. You don't come now. How they do like say in a good person now.
What of a good person?
You know the shake head to
she remove the picture.
My friend, sis, why would they remove this my picture and my wife picture from here?
Don't go put this one.
I beg, I dey call what?
Bring the camera.
Who am I to you now? I don't understand. You have other pictures here now. I said, okay, let me do this one since you've not done it. Let me just do this one. I see a bad thing. I was thinking you would
want to do that kind of thing, not you removing this one from the wall, from that position.
I want to surprise
you will put it in another place. I'm talking to you, you're shouting. I don't like that.
I'm not shouting. You can put
They're
it
shouting.
here, but at least you should be happy I did something and appreciate me for it.
Why will you remove this picture? Why will you remove
it? Do you know how much I did this picture? Do you know how much is this?
I did not break this one now. Did I break it?
Why will you put it here?
Only big or Yusuf. I don't understand. Why are you angry with me? At least as I did something, you should be happy with it.
You'll be second wife to be.
Shut up. Shut up. Is that what we are talking about now?
Why do they come on me and my wife picture? Come on me and my wife picture.
Why are you talking in our issue? What concern you?
I beg.
Are you a demon? That you always putting fire?
Over sappy.
I want to take over. No, boss, you know when they pay me.
My friend, sisters, keep quiet.
Biggie, don't talk.
Talk never.
Don't talk.
I love you.
Sit down.
If I load you.
Now you come back here. What is even wrong with you?
What's happen now? Come, I beg you.
Which can't be all this one?
I beg you. I beg you.
I did something for you to appreciate me. You are angry with me.
Take this picture. Go and hand it another. Go and hand it to your room. Take it.
You go and hang it where you want to hang it. Because I did it for you to appreciate. Put it for your heart. Hang it in your heart.
You don't say my honor they had though.
Okay, you will break it.
I will break them.
You will break it.
My honor they had.
Izzy, prove yourself. Prove yourself. The love you say you get. Prove it now. Make I know now. This is what you're supposed to do. I did it now. Instead of you to be appreciative, you are not angry. You are not angry.
Me?
Oh, they do one. I make people they see you. Thank God, so they always do camera. They do one.
Are you daring me?
Daring you as now. I did something. You are not happy with it. You could not even look at the picture yourself in the face.
Take this picture. Go and drop it inside. Go and drop it in your room. Hang it in your room. Don't hang it in my
in
parlor.
my room. Okay, I should not hang it in your parlor. Okay. Now I'm trying to understand you. So you they dodge me, Abby. You they dodge me. I want to be used and dump. Easy.
Can if I count 1 to 5, you don't take this picture, I will break them.
I know the touch.
Can you take go drop at your room? One.
Something I spend money, you break it. Is it you break what I spend money? Prove the love. Let me see you. Now today I want to know you be.
Can you go drop at your room?
Now today I want to know you be. I'm not gonna tell you anything. One thing.
3.
Something I did for my art. For my art.
4.
And I thought you'd be happy with it.
5.
You broke this thing. You broke what I spent money for.
You are jeering me for what? Yeah, I don't want to do that one.
Please, sure you don't happy now, B. You don't happy. I thought that was you be real bad person.
Ah, you should be a happy. I mean breaker.
No, you don't happy now.
I mean breaker. See you see trouble. I mean breaker.
No, guys, they talk, sister. You see that why they check her like this. Like
Izzy,
lizard.
it's not that I cannot break all these pictures. It's not all this thing you put here now. It's not that I cannot burn all of them.
You can't touch it.
I can do it.
You can't do it.
I'm keeping quiet. I am keeping quiet. I know why I'm keeping you quiet. It's not that I cannot break all these things. I know why I'm keeping quiet. Are you getting it? Don't think I'm a fool. Don't think I am a fool. Thank God you have really shown me your real person. You've proven yourself to me now. And I am okay with it. I am okay with it. Flight, don't want to come up for this house. Because I don't know what they do for you again. I beg you. I don't know what they do for you.
I need small to do more come up for this house. Do more come up for this
but
house.
I don't have views here. So what am I doing here? Eh? You put your white picture for everywhere. Only one little one I put. You scatter the picture. You are not even remorseful. You are just okay with it.
Why will you do that
Yes,
without my
let's go.
consent?
Why
will you do it without my consent?
without your consent?
Why did you
What
why
did
did
call
you do
me?
it?
What did you call me? What did you address me?
You
So I should
believe
hide
me, I'm the
everything.
one that was supposed to put it there, not you.
Oh, so as I do, you don't feel there appreciative, Abi? You could not be appreciative. Rather, everything I did today, we cook fried rice, we fry and slice salad, everything, so that we all rejoice. Even if you don't want me to put this picture on this place, at least there's a way you should have done it with love. Not be with hatred. You so much hate me that you hate everything that comes out from me. Please, I'm disappointed in you. Please. Flight, let's go.
Now picture a break now. You no keep person.
Shut up, bro. Shut up. Because you, I know what I did for you to be here. I played for you and you are the one that betrayed me. My God will fire.
I'm the one that break the picture.
My God will punish all of us for this house.
Which one be I betray you? Now me break picture. I beg go. I make her quiet.
You know that thing is very wrong. Then you go carry remove me.
I talk when I tell her.
You go the
He
trouble.
go come out. He go come out the picture.
Boss.
dey.
No, just sit down.
Please don't talk.
I will slap you. I will slap you. I will slap you.
No talk now. Open your mouth talk. Break that chat. Break that chat. Talk. Open your mouth talk. I will load you. Talk now.
Boss go dey talk, you go dey talk.
Talk now. No talk.
You don't dey prove yourself too much for this house, so I know why they keep quiet, so
Biggie, you know if you do shit.
you be bad person.
You be bad person.
Boss, you know, boss,
You be
boss,
bad
boss,
person.
but let me talk now, boss. Since when can I there they talk? When can I sit down there they talk?
I'll cut the camera. Cut.